Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you an OU or a 0U error code and you're wondering what's going on and how do you get rid of this. So basically what's going on here, if you're getting this error, is that the washing machine is set to the self-clean cycle, and this self-clean cycle will only run if the washing machine is empty, and so it senses if something is in it. And so if something is in it, it will abandon it and it will put up this error, this OU error. So all you need to do to get rid of the error is to open it up and take out whatever you've got in there, close it, push start, and it should clear out the error. And even if you didn't have anything in there, I would still recommend doing that same thing, because maybe it just kind of got geeked out and thought there was something in there. So just open it, close it, restart it, see if that doesn't get rid of the error. Now if this error consistently comes back, what's happening is that the washing machine is thinking something's in there when it's not. And that could be being caused by a couple of things that you're probably going to need to have a technician look at. For example, it could be that the bearings are going and so they're not spinning as freely, and that resistance is making the washing machine sense that there's something in there that it's trying to spin. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.